Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are having fun with our online lessons. And I hope you enjoyed my previous lesson about living things and non-living things. Today we are going to learn about the difference between a living thing and a non-living thing. We will learn about the differences between a living thing and a non-living thing. Living things can move. Yes, the plants, the animals, human beings, they are living things. Living things can move on their own. Yes, you must have seen that human beings can move on their own, but non-living things cannot move. Suppose I have a book over here. Can this book move by its own, on its own? No. I have to take this book and move it to another place. The book cannot move on its own. But a human being, an animal, they can move on their own. So, this is the difference between a living thing and a non-living thing. Living things can move on their own, but non-living things cannot move on their own. Living things move from one place to another place in search of food, shelter, and when they want to keep themselves safe from their enemies. Okay, what is the second difference between a living thing and a non-living thing? Living things can grow. Yes, all of you know that living things can grow. Let's take an example. Your parents were once, they were also a baby. Yes, they were babies when they were in their childhood, and now they have grown up to adults. You must have seen your pet animals as well. When you brought them to your home, they are small babies, and then after some time they grow up. They become bigger in size, they become bigger in age. This means that they grow. But what about a toy? The toy will remain same after years and years. It will not grow. So, this is the difference between a living thing and a non-living thing. A living thing can grow, but a non-living thing cannot grow in size. It will stay same. Okay, another point, another difference between a living thing and a non-living thing. Living things need food. Yes, we all need food to survive, because when we move, we do work, we need energy, and for that energy, we need food. But do you think that non-living things also need food? No, they don't. Do you give food to your toys and vehicles? No, they don't eat food because they are non-living things. They don't grow, that's why they don't need food. But living things can grow, that's why they need food to grow up and to gain energy. I hope that was easy for you. Let's move on. What is the fourth difference between the living things and the non-living things? Living things can reproduce. What does that mean? Living things can reproduce. It means that living things give birth to their young ones, or some of them lay eggs. So, it means that they can produce babies. So, this is what we say, that living things can reproduce, but non-living things cannot produce babies. So, this is the difference between a living thing and a non-living thing. Living things can reproduce, but non-living things cannot reproduce. Another difference between a living thing and non-living thing. Living things can breathe. Living things breathe in air. Yes, but non-living things do not need air. They don't breathe in oxygen. Plants and animals breathe in. So, this is the difference between a living thing and a non-living thing. Human beings breathe in air through their nose. Fish can breathe with the help of their gills, but non-living things cannot breathe because they are not living things. So this is clear that living things can breathe, but non-living things cannot breathe. Living things feel. Yes, we can feel. We have our senses and we can feel the differences around us. If it is cold outside, we feel cold. If it is hot outside, we feel hot. When we touch something which is hot, we quickly move our hand back because we feel that it can burn our hand and this is harmful. But non-living things cannot feel anything. They do not feel cold, they do not feel hot. They don't have any sense organs. So this is the difference between a living thing and a non-living thing. Living things can feel the differences around them, but non-living things cannot feel as they don't have any sense organs. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you want to watch this video again, you can always watch this again on our YouTube channel, that is the Country School Pakistan. So keep having fun with the online lessons and keep learning. Take very good care of yourself. Stay safe. Bye-bye.